harufu haitakuwa mbaya sana asubuhi.
Kikukimungu.
Kitu ni mbaya. So utaenda kweli na hiyo ni CapCut.
Naweza iweka hivyo.
Eh?
Naweza iweka hivyo. Wewe ndio.
Tukate hii.
Kickstart menu. Speaker setup. And mounting kit. Battery. Same company. Same. Functionality ndio itachange kidogo. Power code US.
Sleep. Ina sleep. Sleep imekuwa chini.
We need a calibrator. Beast.
The beast is gone. Mimi nilisema jamani hizi vitu anatoa Dubai.
Dubai. Unajua ni open market.
Integration yake inakaa complex kidogo. Unaangalia hiyo, hebu angalia hiyo. Hiyo inakaa kama ni empty box. Hiyo nyingine ukiangalia compare vitu hivi, si ndio?
Iko na vitu mob ndani. Technology.
Hata calibrator yake.
FM zimepitwa na wakati.
Sasa umenikumbusha sisi kuja hapa, sijaifungua, sijaitumia FM.
FM utatumia saa ngapi?
hapa viju.
Please wait. English. Antenna. What is included? Sold separately. Si kama soundbar inakuja complete. Calibrator.
Agora tripod tunge.
You want to work to place and connection, yes.
Do you have more than?
No. Iko sawa. Am I back? Positive, yeah, ko positive, negative sawa. Speaker setup. Engines yako split, but already siko splitted here. Next. Loosen point. Next. Connect the right way. Next. Air front. Yes. Center. Surround. I need surround. Do you have speaker at the back? Next, we'll assist you with connecting the height and ceiling those. So next. So to take a no, because none. Do you have how many height, ceiling, or Dolby Atmos enabled speaker do you have? None. Do you have subwoofer? Yes. How many subwoofer do you have? One. Next. Front, yes. Center, yes. Subwoofer, one, yes. Surround, yes. Next. Next, let's look at connecting. A minute. Hapo volume tulikuwa tumeshukisha. Make sure the plug to 30. Volume. Yes. Back. Yes. Normal acoustic by listening room affect the sound quality of you at best. Back. Tutainua. So back. Then hiyo IT ilikuwa imesema VR includes a connection, detention, make your home theater, select next, begin. Back. The view that one IT, nasema if you don't know how to please use the included microphone stand. Please help button. There's a microphone stand included. They're supposed to provide one. So these are the tripod stand. Okay. Next. So, next. Next.
kwanza ni
Ear, siko kwa ear.
Chonge. Funge mlango.
Sound.
Disconnect the microphone. This is speaker can be done in dynamic. Audyssey volume off. Because how?
Next. Antenna used to make. Can you hear it?
This is new.
U plus 3. U plus 3. Yes. And to me, blurry.
You need treatment.
Next.
Sasa unataka kama boy la matu tunapata mzio.
Para 15,000.
Ndio time unainunua. Ndio kama 30.
Next. Control here. So unafauzi download hizo zote. Back.
Correction. Put Donoli. Audyssey. Ile the only thing in Vani Gatana zile masekendari.